my phone is actively balancing on a flashlight. We had some winter storm alerts over the weekend, and well, we would have gotten 2 more winter storm warnings if Wilmington decided to tone the expansions. Was that? I don't know what that's there. If Wilmington decided to tone expansions, we would have gotten 2 more because Pittsburgh extended it. I can't talk. Pittsburgh extended it to Muskingum County, which is our area, and Wilmington expanded it to my county and a couple other counties in our area. Jeez, I really can't talk. But yeah, it's got a winter storm watch and 2 winter storm warnings, and Southern Pennsylvania WX let me use the snow squall warning for my compilation. So, yep. What the? I'm on the good side 58.
Here is a winter storm watch for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Winter storm watch remains in effect from Sunday morning through Monday evening. West, heavy snow. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 8 inches are expected. Where? Portions of east central Indiana and central and west central Ohio. When? From Sunday morning through Monday evening. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Slow down and use caution while traveling. Visit bogo.com for the latest road information. Be prepared for slippery roads.
This very well could be a doubleheader.
Slow down and use caution while driving.
This very well could
If
be
you
a
are going
doubleheader.
outside, watch your first few steps taken on stairs, sidewalks, and driveways. These surfaces could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury. Prepare for hazardous winter weather conditions. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation.
Doubleheader?
Winter weather
No?
advisory remains in effect until 10 a.m. The Service and State College, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Bedford County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:12 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located over northern Bedford County near New Enterprise. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes Interstate 99 for mile markers 10 to 14. Locations impacted include New Enterprise, Blue Knob State Park, Queen, Woodbury, Defiance, Hopewell, and Blue Knob Ski Resort. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. If you must travel, use extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Serious injuries and deaths may result from people exiting their vehicles during a snow squall. Drivers may not be able to see or stop. If you have been involved in an accident or pulled to the side of the roadway, quickly exit your vehicle and move as far away from the roadway as possible only when it is safe to do so. Do not stand along or near the roadway, since approaching vehicles may be unable to maintain control.
Here it is! That scared me!
Here is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Greene, Hocking, and Pickaway. Winter storm warning in effect from 10 a.m. Sunday to midnight Monday night. West, heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 9 inches.
Yes.
Impact.
5 to 9 inches.
5 to 9 inches?
I was about to set up the snow cam too.
If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water.
This might be a doubleheader.
In case of an emergency. In Indiana, visit 911-441-800-261-762-3 for the latest road information.
That's funny.
In Ohio, visit ogo.com for the latest road information.
Yes. Doubleheader winter storm warning. Ha!
Storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Monday. For Perry, Jackson, and Benson counties. What? Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 8 inches and ice accumulations up to 1/4 of an inch. Impacts, roads, and especially bridges and overpasses will likely become slick and hazardous. Significant ice accumulation on power lines and tree limbs may cause widespread and long-lasting power outages. Power outages and tree damage are likely due to the ice.
I just self-activated this thing
Travel
too.
would be nearly impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.
Doubleheader winter storm
The
watch.
latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/RLX as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Winter storm
That's
watch
it.
remains. Winter storm warning in effect until midnight tonight for the following counties in Ohio: Clark, Franklin, Licking, and Madison. Heavy mixed precipitation. Additional snow accumulations between 2 and 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Visit ogo.com for the latest road information.